Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyanshala masti. So today we will be talking about glass and what makes glass transparent. So let us talk about it. So what is glass even made of? So glass is made up of the molten form of quartz. So first we will go deep down the crust of the earth to the core. So in there, silicon and oxygen react with each other to form silicon dioxide, and the silicon dioxide then transforms into quartz. So this quartz, what do we do with it? We melt it first. So when we melt it at a high temperature, what happens is that it goes into its molten form. But due to the extreme heat, the molecular structure goes into a form that it cannot be converted again into quartz. So basically, we are making into another substance. It is like quartz, but it is not exactly quartz because its molecular structure kind of changes and it becomes your amorphous solid. So basically from this solid we make glass. And after the glass is made, what makes it transparent? So what happens in that when we melt the quartz, there, as I told you, there is a difference in the molecular structure. So it transforms it in a like regular chains, and the gap between the molecules and even the electrons is very much. So uh, like my hand is there, the light cannot pass through because the molecules and the our electrons are very close to each other, so they do not let it pass through. But in this, as the 99% of the atom is empty, in this also it is empty, but in that the space is very big between the electrons. So in the glass, it the light passes through because the gap is so big, it lets all the photons pass through it, and the molecular structure is also like that, it lets all the photons pass through it. So that's why it looks transparent. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, please share it with everybody and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.